हॉटेलान कितें तरी
पहले पेपर वाच
थोडं हे
वो कैंडिडेट बराबर एक अनिल चोपडेकर आणि दुसरे सुदेश कोरगांवकार आणि दुसरे कोणी तिगा येयल्ले आणि हेणे सगळ्याक पयशे दिवपाक मिकी पाचको हो मिकी पाचकोन सगळ्याक फोन करून हेका आपयलेले की पयशे व्हरपा येवाय तुमी येवन तिका मॅडम सो सगळे लोक सगळे आख्खे सगळे महाराजान गेले महाराजान आपयले महाराजान गेले आणि महाराजान विके कडेन जाले आमी तो पयशे डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करपाक एक कोणे अधिकारी दिला आणि खुबशा कारणांचेर तेन्नाच चिंतात आसतना एकलो बॅग घेवन धांवलो म्हणटकच हे भाशेन पयशे डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करपाक म्हजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन ह्या टायमार येवपाक रिजन कितें कसल्या कारणाक लागून तूं पयशांनी हे वोट घेवपाक वता तुमच्या कॅन्डिडेटा बरोबर रावन अनिल चोपडेकार तसोच सुदेश कोळवेकर तो ग्रासियस हे मनीस सगळे रावन थिंगा आणि दुसरे हे रावन हेणी हे पयशे डिस्ट्रिब्यूट थिंगा करताले सो लोकांनी तांकां धरले तो म्हाजे एगेन्स्ट ही एगेन्स्ट हो कॅम्पेनिंग करता वास्को शहरान
कित्याक करता
ते कित्याक करता मिकी गोंयच्या एक बेजसा वयला मीक एक जेलसनेस मीक एक टेन्शन जाला की आमी मिनिस्टर आहा आणि आमी गोंयचे नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीचे प्रेसिडेंट आहा ताका लागून ताका ही कुंडाटकाय जाल्या आणि हे भाशेन आमच्याच पार्टीच्या मनशांक जावप हे खरें लोजेचें काम आणि मिकी ह्या टायमार इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार मिकी येवन पयशे डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करप म्हणजे हे टोटली रॉंग.
Will you report this matter to your party?
100% I am going to send a message right now to my high command.
Mr. D'Souza, he is from your own party. What can be the reason one party member going against another party?
No, there must be a reason is this, because he is a jealous. Miki Pachako is jealous because I am holding the party presidentship and I am holding the ministership. That is his hinge, and that is his problem, because he want that he should defeat my wife. My wife, she is a candidate in ward number 16, and my brother is in ward number 15. He want to defeat these candidates, and he want to defeat even Kirtesh Gaonkar because he is very close to me. This is the reason that he comes to Vasco and he wants to distribute the money. I have a proof also. They were talking in a crore. I don't know.
But just a municipal election, they were.
I don't know. If these people they are putting up money for this council election, there won't be a fair election in Vasco.
We are given to understand that Miki Malla future supporter.
मारलो तर मारपाचो तर मारलो जाल्यार कितें करपाचें मॉब ते मॉब सगळे मॉब कोण कोणाक कितें करता कांय कळना पूण येवप हांगा वास्को येवपाक रिजन कितें देवूय जाल्यार आतां येवपाचें बिकॉज माय हाय कमांड ऑल्सो वॉन्ट अ प्रूफ नो द हाय कमांड वॉन्ट अ प्रूफ दॅट ही हॅज डिनायड he is denying that he is not going to Vasco. He already denied with the Sharadji also that he is not going and disturbing me. He said there is a proof. I got proof today, and I got other proof also that he want to disturb my election.
What is the future course of action?
Okay, future course of action, I will definitely. They are come here to lodge the complaint. I will send this copy of the complaint to my high command. I will send the copy to the election commissioner also, because this person is interfering in Vasco in my council election.
As your party chief,
say because I will definitely report this to high command. Hey,
going to register this?
He has to behave mature.
Yeah, you're a minister here. You cannot act like that crap what he did today.
Just imagine. If money was found today, then he would have been right.
Yeah.
But today he proved wrong, no? So it's a mistake.
Where's the money, man?
Where?
Where's the money? We just ordered the food. Food was there.
Food was already ordered.
And they are not outside. See, Simon was with me. Marian was with me. We will have all.
Yeah, you call them. We'll call them.
Oh, phone mata pot baba. Kaya na kaya mo pot phone mata. Pot phone mata baba. Na pot phone mata. Hello, fine. Who told you, Sangmanji? Yeah, fine. Thanks. Okay. I was having a food. We just ordered myself and one of my neighbor was with me, and two of them from Vasco. We were just ordered a food. We just barged in the restaurant, that hotel Maharaja. I start, breaking things, that, and we started pushing me. He said, "What are you doing in Vasco?" I said, "What I'm supposed to do in Vasco?" I said, "This is Port Town." I said, "I'm having food here. What is the problem?" "No, this is my constituency." I said, "What do you mean your constituency? I cannot sit in your constituency and have food or what?" I said, "I'm not going to eat free food." I said, "I'm going to pay and go." So he just, a few of them were with him. They start pushing around and they start breaking. And then the car which I came.
Here, and we have called the media.
See, in fact, I think you will know better what happened. One of your colleague was there outside the hotel. In fact, I was sitting with one of my neighbor. In fact, his car has been damaged. And Mr. Simon, my old friend, he was there. We were having food. And his friend also was there, Mr. Marian. Edwin was there. Okay, when we started having there was a water bottle, just started ordering food. And this Philip barged in. And he started havoc there, breaking the bottles. And he said, "What are you doing here, Vasco?" I said, "What I'm doing, man?" I said, "This is a public place, I'm having food. Can't I have a food?" No, he said, "This is my constituency, you cannot enter here." So he said, you got the money? I said, "For what money? I'll pay and I'll go." I said, "What is the problem here? I'm not going to eat free. No, this is a public place. I'm going to eat, pay and go." So just started, he didn't even give me a chance to talk. He caught me, he was very much there, he caught me here. Okay, and he started pushing around. Just see this bottle and all. I think this is, as a minister, this is very bad.
So we were given to understand that his supporter and including minister has assaulted and manhandled you.
Yes, very much. Here, Vasco people were there.
Very much.
His neighbor was there.
Very much.
Jose Philip D'Souza assaulted you?
Yes, very much.
I say, Jose Philip D'Souza assaulted him.
He caught me like this.
And what is the reason why he has assaulted
He
you?
said, "What are you doing in Vasco?"
He's
I said, "I'm
telling,
having food. It's a restaurant, public place."
There are allegations, he said that you were with crores of rupees and giving money for the candidates of the council. How far it's true?
You tell me, one of your reporter was very much there. You tell me which candidate was sitting with me. Nobody was there, except we were sitting down there. He's a candidate.
Mr. Pacheco, one more thing. Why did not you file a complaint yet with the Vasco police when Jose Philip has already filed?
See, I think it's my principle. He's from my party. Okay, and maybe he had what he had done. Okay, maybe he can digest, but I cannot digest this. And for me, as a party colleague, it's a shame to complain against him. But my appeal to the Vasco people, what he had done is very bad. Okay, the Vasco people should realize not to support his panel, and especially his brother and his wife.
Did you make this complaint to party?
I informed them, and my party told, Sharad Pawar told me, I'm going to take action against him.
Sir, Jose Philip D'Souza made one more allegation that you are working along with the local MLA of Kortalim to make sure that his wife and his brother get defeated.
Kortalim MLA? Who's Kortalim MLA now?
Moving with you.
What is that? He's our colleague. Where I'm working against him? Where's Movin Govindu with me?
He was with me there. And what is my interest? Am I going to contest here or the Kortali or Vasco?
Mr. Pachako, you said that your car is being damaged.
You want to claim the post and ministry?
Who defeated?
He said you are
He said
frustrated.
he is jealous. You are jealous of him because he is the president of the and you want to throw him down.
And you are frustrated.
See,
What is your...
No, I want to say, no,
One second.
Yeah.
Let's feel
see, I don't want to bring my party in it because if he's the president, good luck for him. Party knows what he had done for a party. Okay, I don't have to make any comment. What I know, what I am, and what I had done for a party, and today what his party also everybody knows. So I don't have to talk anything against the party. I am a loyal soldier of this party. I got twice elected in this party, so I don't have to comment anything on the party. I am very much happy with my party, and I don't comment anything against leadership. Please.
Sir, who damaged